Hello again viewers, welcome back again to another video. In this episode, we are going to be working on this Wuling Almaz. And in this segment of video, it's going to be a continual episode on the Protoflex suspension part install. And on the previous video, if you guys haven't watched already, I have completed the upgrade for this front suspension bushing with all the Protoflex product. And in today's video, we are going to be installing the rear section of the Swaybar bushing for this vehicle. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and start the job.
Depan ya.
Alright guys, that install went very quickly, took us less than 5 minutes to complete. And so the finished result on the full Protoflex suspension bushing upgrade on this Wuling Almaz, it has definitely improved driving experience to a much more sporty feel during spirited drive and high-speed cornering. It has transformed the car to a much more fun car to drive, and also adding rigidity to the vehicle chassis, which the car needs from the day one. And the only downside by upgrading the suspension components to polyurethane material, no doubt it has increased the NVH noise level within the cabin. Alrighty, and that is a wrap for today's video. I hope you find it useful. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and like this video and share it to your friends and family. And I will see you again on the next video. Peace.